Hey guys, Goofy Bassett here. So, for whatever reason, I have an issue with my audio in this segment of the video. So, I'm doing a voiceover to kind of introduce the video. So, set the scene. It's New Year's Eve. I'm on my way to meet up with Walt and Pa, Trekkie Moto, and Steve for the last ride of the year. So, hope you guys enjoy it.
Talking to myself is because I've gone senile.
Well,
I don't have any voice controls.
I think I'm a little older than you are, Trekkie. So, yeah, I'm going to go senile before you. Unless it's an English thing, you know, then, you know.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, I forgot about the English discussion. It's Trekkie Moto here.
It's Trekkie Moto here.
And you join me on a fantastic group ride with Walt and Pa and Goofy Bastard.
Alright, now say aluminum.
Yeah, say aluminum.
Aluminium.
Alright guys, we are back. And I got Trekkie Moto in front of me and Walt and Pa in front of him. And we're just over here laughing and having a good time on a shitty ass New Year's Eve. Got a fuzzy thing on your ass. Just want to let you know.
You're talking about my microphone.
Yeah, you got a furry coming at your.
That's right. I've got a hairy ass. Somebody shoved a dead cat up my ass.
Oh, update, guys. Steve could not make it. He had a nail in his tire, has a flat. So, sorry, Steve. Sucks to be you, buddy.
He's here in spirit, though.
Yeah.
You have any channel stickers with you, Goofy?
Yeah, I do, actually.
You could always swing by that covered bridge and you can slap a sticker on the sign.
There you go.
Not too far away.
Alright, you tell me. You know, I'm just gonna follow you.
So you know what? I'm gonna make a right instead.
Okay.
Damn, man.
This is why I don't lead.
You let on a road apple ride because there was only one road, right?
That's right.
And I still managed to get separated in the group.
Hey Santa, how you doing? I need to get a pin lock for this thing.
Yeah.
Well, they have some drawbacks. I have some issues with mine.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, I get when the sun hits it just right, I can see my face in the pin lock. I get a weird glare.
Well, that's a feature, not a bug.
Yeah, man, that's a good thing. You know, it's like a mirror. You check yourself out, you can do your makeup, you can do all kind of shit with that, man.
Not when you get like a close-up of your eyebrow and you're trying to figure out what the hell is on the road.
Hey, your mascara, come on now.
I'm using my heated grips and I don't want to even take my thumb off.
Gotta get these handguards, man.
Yeah, I want to get some of those heated gloves. I think handguards would look pretty crummy on this bike.
Hey, don't matter what they look like, they do the job.
Oh, that's true, I suppose. I mean, I'm not, you know, the best looking rider in the world anyway.
Well, why do you think so many people go to ugly hookers? They may not look good, but they do the job.
Yeah. Maybe there's a market, maybe there's a sort of market segment for people like me on OnlyFans, fat bike riders.
I get paid to put my clothes back on. What are you talking about? You're gonna be doing a whole lot of bleeping out there, Walt. Sorry, buddy.
Yeah, it's a fucking pain in the ass.
It comes with the territory when you do these things. I don't worry about it.
I just leave it in. Fuck it.
Yeah, I leave it in as well.
My channel's marked not safe for kids, so I leave it in. That's where I bought my bike. Yeah, that was Leisure. Used to be Leisure.
You mean leisure?
No, I mean Leisure, not Leisure. Fucking Brits, man, I'll tell you. Trying to ruin my English language with your proper shit.
That's right. You just don't talk proper.
Well, 724 dried out real nice.
Yeah, this is good. It's also warmed up a little bit. I don't feel nearly as cold as I did.
Well, we're also not doing 65 either.
Well, that's true.
The boss guys used to park on the roof too.
I don't know whether it's deteriorated or what, but the last time I was over there, it was closed. Couldn't get up on the roof.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I haven't been in that mall in forever.
My local mall is Exton Square Mall.
Dude, that mall is dead too.
It is dead. Especially now that Sears is closed.
You know, I went in there this time last year, or a couple weeks before Christmas last year, as I was going into the phone store. And, dude, we were like, got parking right up front on a Saturday afternoon.
Yeah, I know. It's got a pretty cool arcade sort of place, though.
Right.
And, I like there's some nice food, actually.
The food court there?
Yeah, it's not bad. It's like a Five Guys, which is always good.
Yeah, Five Guys is always good.
Panda Express, if you don't mind shitty Chinese food that isn't Chinese. And some cheesesteakery.
Well, speaking of Chinese food, me and the wife 2 weeks ago went over to PF Chang's. You know, just go have dinner.
Yeah?
You need a reservation to get into PF fucking Chang's.
No way.
I swear to God. I said to the woman, I said, you guys know you're a chain Chinese place, right? And I need a fucking restaurant? A reservation? Like, what the hell is that about?
Yeah, seriously. That is really odd.
Yeah, I walked up and you got a reservation? No, no. You guys are a chain Chinese food restaurant.
Yeah, you should be able to go straight in, sit down, get what you want, have them, do a bag of your dry cleaning at the same time.
Exactly. Exactly.
Not that I'm stereotyping in any way.
No, not at all. It's okay. You should hear what we say about the Brits when you're not here. So right now we're heading over to Walt's sticker spot to put my sticker on there, even though I gave Walt a sticker at the Road Apple ride to put on there. He hasn't done it yet. So
Wait a minute.
I'm gonna slap my sticker on there so Walt doesn't have to.
You know what? I didn't even think of that.
Yeah, you set a precedent there now.
Oh, that Bikers United sticker I did put on there.
I know you did. No, not really.
Dude, there used to be a Fat Guy's shop right there. It's still there. The German-sounding thing.
The Whites and Corns? Whites and Corns? That's oh yeah, right there, big and tall. There you go.
I bought a couple of things actually in a store. They've got a second location just down the road.
You want to go see if they have a jacket in there for you?
Well, it's all the guys' newspapers in the windows. But,
I know, that's advertisement. That's not newspapers.
Are you turning left or are you just leaving it on there?
I think I just leave it on.
That is one thing all bikes should have, is self-canceling turn signals.
Yeah, the Triumph Trident and the Tiger 660, they both have self-canceling indicators. There's the bridge.
So we're coming up on a bridge here, so I can slap a sticker. Hopefully they didn't clean them off, but if they did clean them off, that means I'd be the only sticker there. That might be an idea there. Hey, a new covered bridge that I haven't been on.
little bit of gravel on that bend.
Yep, I see it.
I got it. Oh. Yeah, hey, Trekkie, you do your thing, buddy. And then I'll do mine. Yes, I am like a child.
All right.
Don't go off the side. That won't end well. All right. Where are my stickers at? They're in this one.
Oh, I feel pretty old. Oh, you know what? I pretty much put this in a stupid place, haven't I?
Can you get out?
You want me to move this for the camera?
No, not at all. I'm sitting in the middle of the street. Oh yeah, how the fuck am I getting up here? Yeah. I'm a fat guy, man. My vertical ain't shit.
And your helmet.
This is gonna be fun. Alright, I'm gonna go up here next to Wind Road Therapy. There we go.
There you go.
It's on there. Look at that. Looky there. There's my sticker right there. Huh. Gonna have to bring a step stool for anybody else.
It's like we should almost leave a step stool for somebody.
Yeah, we should.
Like have a secret spot where we put it.
Tie a rope around it and throw it in the creek.
Dude, get a picture of him pointing to a sticker.
Oh, wait a minute.
Let's do that. Alright, how about me doing mine? Might as well.
Yo, man, you need to send that to me. I need that for my thumbnail. Hold on. I gotta get one with the face shield down. All right.
It looks like you're taking a shit.
Eh, well, whatever. Okay, you want both of us to do it? All right, my friends, now that I have my sticker on Walt's sign by Walt Bridge, I'm going to end this video. So, remember what I always say, y'all stay safe, love one another.